What should your crypto portfolio look like based on how much money you are investing? Should you be buying the major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, or should you try going for higher risk with higher reward? Today, I'll be outlining 3 portfolio strategies based on an investment size of $1,000, $10,000, and $100,000 crypto. Now, before I show you the 3 types of portfolio strategies, you first need to understand one key concept in crypto, and that is the difference in investment timeframes. There are short-term investments covering the next 12 to 18 months as long as we have the bull market, and then there are long-term investments that involve holding for 5 to 10 plus years. Yes, there will be many exponential gains in the short term in altcoins, but you should not be holding most of these altcoins going past 2025. Many altcoins will do amazingly well and outperform Bitcoin, as I will show you in a second. However, they give back all of their gains when the bear market comes. Over the long term, you need to focus on accumulating the real blue chip coins that can last 5 to 10 years. In my opinion, the only one that I know for sure can do this is Bitcoin. The name of the game is continuously monitor your portfolio denominated in BTC value and see if you are outperforming Bitcoin's price growth. If you are, then that means you are continuously accumulating more and more Bitcoin. And when the time comes and the bull market is likely over, you gotta convert all your holdings back into Bitcoin to secure those profits. I firmly believe Bitcoin is going to $1 million plus in the next 10 years. So each $100 I put into Bitcoin now in 2025 is going to be worth $500 to $1,000 in 2030. Feasibility of Bitcoin going to $1 million per coin based on the demand of wealthy entities across the globe. There is one other important topic you need to understand before you start making your portfolio. And if you don't understand these numbers, you won't be able to take profit from the bull run. This topic I'm referring to is the expected returns of different types of coins in this upcoming bull run. We need to have an expected range for how much percentage gains we can make on each type of asset. Otherwise, you either sell too early and have to FOMO buy back in, or you will keep holding on for unrealistic 100x gains for coins that are already valued way too high. What kind of returns can you expect on Bitcoin and altcoins over the next 1 to 2 years? My expectation for Bitcoin's short-term returns in this 2025 crypto bull run is about 2 to 3x by the end of this cycle 25 is about $200,000 per coin. I come to these targets for Bitcoin not because of the Bitcoin cycles, but rather we are looking at the US Fed's liquidity injection, the weakening of the US dollar, and the return of inflation. And Bitcoin benefits from all 3 of these factors. What about Ethereum and Solana over this bull run? Well, in the short 1 to 2 year time frame, I expect both Ethereum and Solana to have about 3 to 5x returns. My average price target for Ethereum is about $12,000 and my price target for Solana is $800. Since Ethereum and Solana are such proven assets, they are bound to move with the price of Bitcoin, and they should at least outperform BTC since they have a lower market cap and higher reflexivity to the increase in global liquidity. This has always happened to the top altcoins in the last 2 cycles since 2017, and there's no reason to assume this time is different. Now, I know some people expect Ethereum to not go up at all this cycle, or some other people expect Solana to go up 10x plus this cycle. I think both of these scenarios are highly unlikely. That's why I have both Ethereum and Solana in my portfolio at equally large percentages, right around 20% of each, as I believe these 2 assets on average can do 3 to 5x by the end of 2025. Now, what about other altcoins? Can altcoin investing still make you rich? In the next 1 to 2 years, there still exists exponential profit opportunities in other altcoins. As long as the Fed starts injecting liquidity by increasing their balance sheet, aka going from a quantitative tightening policy to quantitative easing, we should be able to see a altcoin bull run that lasts until at least mid-2025, which will be very explosive. The specific timing may be different based on when the QE cycle starts and ends, and when the next recession comes. But either way, I'm not counting on any investment to do 10x on my total portfolio. But with Bitcoin, you can pour as much money as you want into it, whether that's 10K, 100K, 1 million, or even $10 million, and have that roll into a liquid 10x from the current price over the next decade. You will not find this type of returns on any other asset class over the next decade.